In the DevOps lifecycle, we discussed earlier, every stage is supported by specific tools. Let's go step by step. First one is the version control tool. Git and GitHub. These are the version control tools. The purpose of the Git and GitHub is to store and manage source code. What does it do? Tracks every code change, allows multiple developers to collaborate, maintains history of the code. For example, a developer writes code and pushes it to the GitHub. Now team members can review, update, and manage code easily. This is the starting point of any DevOps pipeline. Next is CI/CD tools. Most popular tool is the Jenkins. The purpose of the tool is to automate build, test, and deployment. Instead of manually doing everything, Jenkins can pull code from GitHub, build the application, run tests, deploy automatically. For example, as soon as a developer pushes code into the GitHub, Jenkins pipeline starts automatically. This makes software delivery faster, consistent, and reliable. So next tool is configuration management section. In the configuration management, most famous or widely used tool is Ansible. So the purpose of the configuration management tool Ansible is to automate server setup and configuration. Imagine you have 50 servers. Do you configure each server manually? Not practical. With Ansible, you write one playbook and apply configuration to all the servers at a time. For example, if you want to install a software, or if you want to update packages or configure setting on 50 servers, you write one Ansible playbook and run it for all the 50 servers. That Ansible will connect to those 50 servers with the help of SSH connectivity and install that software or update package or configure the setting. So this saves time, effort, and also reduces the human errors. Next tool is for the containerization. So most famous tool is Docker. The purpose of the tool is package application along with its environment. Earlier, it works on my machine, but not on your server. That was the problem teams used to face many times. With the Docker, we solve this problem. It creates a container which runs the same everywhere. So whether it's developer laptop, testing server, or a production server, application behaves exactly same. Next stage and the tool for the next stage is the orchestration. The most famous tool is Kubernetes. The purpose is to manage and scale containers. If you have one container, it's easy. But if you have 100 containers, it is very difficult. So Kubernetes helps to manage those containers, scale automatically, and handle failures. For example, if one container crashes, Kubernetes automatically restarts it. This ensures high availability and reliability. Next tool is for the monitoring purpose. There are many tools, but as I mentioned earlier, Grafana and Splunk, these are the widely used tools for the monitoring purpose. These tools will track system performance and detect issues. These tools monitor logs, errors, CPU usage, application performance, and many more things. For example, if response time increase, it will generate an alert, and that alert will go to the application team. So instead of reacting late, teams can act proactively. Next section is the cloud platform. This is the final category. For example, there are many cloud providers. AWS, which is Amazon Web Service. Azure, it's a Microsoft cloud platform. Google Cloud is GCP, Google Cloud Platform. The purpose is to host applications and infrastructure. Instead of managing physical servers, companies use cloud services. Cloud provides scalability, flexibility, and pay as you use model. And most DevOps tools integrate directly with the cloud platforms. So, if you look at the full DevOps flow, Git manages code, Jenkins automates pipelines, Ansible configures servers, Docker package applications, Kubernetes manage containers, Grafana, Splunk monitor systems, cloud hosts everything. All tools work together to support DevOps lifecycle.